Hey everybody, it's the Magic Wig Maker, and you know, a lot of times fate plays a lot in how our lives go, right? I have been in this wig salon all day long making wigs, getting ready to ship. So I'm making like this last wig that I was getting ready to put up on Facebook and give it at a reduced price. And then my phone rings and it is a the messenger with the videotape message, and someone that I've known for so long, she is just so frantic and heartbroken because she has just gotten braids taken out of her hair, and her hair has just come out and she is just panicked. And I said, well listen, just come on over, I got you, come on over. So she rushes over here, and when she gets here, she's in tears, and her being in tears makes me in tears. So she's here right now. We're gonna fix her up. It's destiny. It's meant for me to help her out today. That very wig that I was making, that I was going to give a discount price on Facebook, falls right in her range. So I am going to do the installation for no cost. In other words, I'm going to hook her up. I've known this girl since she was a little girl, and I don't ever want to see her cry again. So I'm going to take care of her. I'm going to braid her hair in an easy, relaxed style without a lot of tension because her scalp is sensitive. And then I'm just going to oil it to lubricate it to let her scalp breathe. And next I'm going to put a skin tone wig cap and bond it to her hairline with my liquid adhesive cream. And the liquid adhesive cream will come out easily when I remove this wig because I'm going to use a really oily solvent that will melt the adhesive, and then 99% alcohol to remove all residues. So this is a safe procedure. It's not going to take her hairline out. Next, I'm going to bond the wig cap to the application of the adhesive cream and use my tie-down band to really seal and bond it in place. I'm going to sew the wig cap all around the perimeter of that braid, and that's to give a flesh colored tone under the wig, as well as give me an anchoring place for the clips that are on the wig. This wig that I made today has 3 combs. That back comb is going to go under that braid and anchor very comfortably so that the wig does not move in the back. And then the 2 side combs are going to go underneath the braid on the side. I used Got to Be Glued to seal the front hairline without having to use additional adhesive, and then use the tie-down band for about 15 minutes to really bond that front to her skin. And as long as she continues to put the tie-down band around it, it can hold for a week or longer. I use Miss Lola's adhesive cream on that little flap right by the ear to seal that and give me a completely seamless hairline. Well, okay, here we go. We're gonna unveil your new look.
That's how they do it. That's so
Baby hair and all.
That's so pretty.
Thank you. Are you glad you came over? It looks fantastic.
Thank you.
Are those tears I see in your eyes? I'm so glad that I was able to make you feel great, and those braids didn't take away your joy. Okay. I was able to help her with her hair loss issues, and I can help you too. Call me. I got you. So please, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and most of all, hit that notification bell so you'll always know when I'm working my magic. Take care. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.